What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about what would happen if you invested $10 every month into the S&P 500. The reason I picked $10 is because I feel like $10 is an easy number and attainable by almost anybody. In the first year, you will have invested $120. You would have gained $5.41 in interest. The ending balance would be $125.41. In year 5, you would have invested $600. The ending balance would be $765.61. You gained $165.61 in interest. At the end of the 10th year, you will have invested $1,200. The total balance would be $1,998.64. You've gained $798.64 in interest. At the end of the 20th year, this is where you start to see that compound really piling up. You will have an ending balance of $7,182.59. You've only invested $2,400. Total interest earned will be $4,782.59. At the end of 30 years, you will have an end balance of $20,628.43. You've only invested $3,600. Your total interest gained was $17,028.43. That's how you turn $10 into $20,000 easy.